and we cannot bypass this language. Even some our religious scholars issued some fatwas that English is prohibited in Islam. If English is prohibited in Islam, then Punjabi and Urdu is also should be prohibited in Islam. That is, these languages are other than Arabic and Persian. No language is bad. All languages are revealed from heavens, from Allah. Okay?
Yes.
All scripts are sacred. All scripts. A, B, C, Alif, Be, Pe, and scripts of other languages, Pashto, Sindhi, Punjabi, Hindi, Bengali. These are languages of Allah's creatures. And no discrimination should be in these languages, because it is mode of communication. So I think I have justified that why we are discussing